Hearing, one of the primary sensations of our body. Tick-tick of the clock, the bird chirrupings, the noise of the household items to machine tools. Everything in our surrounding generates a different types of sound that we hear every day. Sound, a pressure wave which is created by vibrating objects. For its propagation from the one place to another, sound requires a medium. This medium may be gas, liquids, and solid. Mechanical waves in the ear having the frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz are known as the sound waves or audio waves. When we play a musical instrument like guitar, the string of the guitar vibrates, which induces a change in the pressure of that region, and a restoring force proportional to the disturbance develops in that region. These pressure waves consist of compression and the rarefaction, which allow the sound waves to move from one region to another and makes the propagation of sound waves possible. Our ear is sensitive to only those vibrations whose frequency lies between 20 Hz to 20 kHz. As we talk about this range of the audio waves in the starting of the video, the vibrations are carried by the ear as a medium when this wave strikes to our eardrum, and then the message is conveyed to our brain, and finally we hear. All these things happen so quickly that we can imagine a process in a picturized form. The speed of the sound in the ear at the room temperature and the normal pressure is roughly 332 meters per second, which is approximately 1200 km per hour. This is much greater than the speed of the fastest car. That's why the horn of the car approaching us is heard much before the car reaches near to us. The speed of the sound in the medium does not depend on its frequency. For example, speed of the sound in the air is 332 meters per second, and speed of the sound in the water is 1400 meters per second. Speed of the sound in the steel is 5000 meters per second. An object moving with a speed greater than the sound is said to be moved with a supersonic speed. Here is some common term related to the sound waves, such as wave, pitch, echo, frequency, amplitude, time period. Wave, a periodic disturbance produced in a material medium due to vibratory motion of the particles. Pitch, it is a characteristic of the sound which depends on the frequency. The relative highness or the lowness of the tone as perceived by ear is depend on the number of vibration per second produced by our vocal cords. The higher the frequency of the sound, the higher will be the pitch. Echo. It is a phenomenon produced by reflection of sound. To hear echo from distinct origin, it is necessary that sound should take at least 1 by 10 seconds to travel from the place of origin to reflecting surface, and then to come back towards the origin place. Frequency. Defined as the number of the waves that passes through the fixed place in a given amount of the time. Usually, frequency is expressed in the Hertz unit. It was named in the honor of a German physicist Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. 1 Hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Amplitude, the maximum displacement of the particle of medium from their mean position during the propagation of the wave, is called amplitude of the wave. The time taken by the wave to travel through the distance equal to wavelength is called its time period. Mathematically, the time period is reciprocal of frequency and vice versa. Sound exhibits the properties of reflection, refraction, interference, and diffraction. Find out this. Two persons on the surface of the moon cannot talk to each other. Give your answer in our comment section